Welcome, Mr. Linenschmidt. Please state your name, and you have 2 minutes to provide testimony. We appreciate your written testimony as well.
Yes, sir. Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Chairman Schwartner, Chairman Spiller, other chairmen, distinguished members. I'm Larry Linenschmidt, speaking as an individual. I'm Executive Director of the Hill Country Institute, a faith-based Christian nonprofit, and I was formerly a Regional Vice President of a major bank. Thank you for this opportunity. This fund represents an opportunity for Texas to continue to lead in energy. These new plants have the potential to be the cleanest electric generation powered by natural gas in the world. As Texas shows the way, others will follow. Our energy expansion can feature the best of clean energy technologies. Texas has a growing air pollution problem. TCEQ regularly issues ozone action alerts and asks Texans to limit driving in impacted counties. Texas is also paying a massive price for the impact of climate change on the state. It was reported by Texas 2036, Texas has the most billion-dollar disasters of any state. Insurance companies report our rapid increases in property casualty rates are due to climate change and inflation. The natural gas industry, with methane leaks from wellhead through transportation and storage, as well as emissions from flaring and burning natural gas at electricity generating plants, is a major contributor to lower air quality in Texas and to global warming. Our request to require the latest state-of-the-art pollution control technology on the new plants, as well as carbon capture to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Also suggest you require updates to the technologies during the life of the loans on a rolling 3-year basis. Please require gas-fired plants to be sited at least 3 miles from existing or platted and approved residential areas. To further improve the Texas Energy Fund, I encourage you to enhance the financing to include other zero emissions technologies available today, such as grid energy storage, enhanced geothermal, expanding opportunities for virtual power plants, and reconductoring power line grid capacity. Energy efficiency and demand response should also be further incentivized, particularly for low-income households, as noted in the recent Texas A&M report. Regarding the administration of loan funds, I suggest a state contract with a lending organization with experience in this area rather than saddling the regulator of electricity in our state as the manager. Lending and regulating are two distinct functions with different skill sets and the potential for conflicts of interest. Our consultant, as you've discussed in detail, failed at the lowest level of due diligence. I have a couple of other ideas on how the loan should be structured, but Texas has multiple financial issues that we face. The state does not want to own these gas plants, so let's do the best we can to keep significant credit backing on the assets and limit the loans to the shortest term possible. Thank you for your attention.
Thank you, Mr. Linenschmidt. Always appreciate your testimony and written testimony as well.
Thank you, sir.
Always come prepared.